Embark on a captivating virtual journey to the heart of Europe's best-kept secret, Slovenia. Slovenia, get ready to be mesmerized by breathtaking landscapes, charming towns, and a rich tapestry of cultural experiences that will leave you awestruck. Join us as we traverse the iconic Lake Bled, a fairy tale-like setting with a picturesque island crowned by a church and a medieval castle perched atop the cliffs. The serene beauty of the lake against the backdrop of the Julian Alps is a scene straight out of a dream. Explore the enchanting streets of Ljubljana, the capital city. Its blend of Baroque and Art Nouveau architecture creates a magical atmosphere. Don't miss the vibrant markets, where you can indulge in local crafts, artisanal foods, and a lively atmosphere that's uniquely Slovenian. Venture into the rolling hills of the wine regions, where centuries-old vineyards produce some of Europe's most delightful wines. Raise a glass in the traditional wine cellars and immerse yourself in the passion of Slovenian winemaking. Traverse the underground marvels of the Skokjan Caves, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through colossal caverns, awe-inspiring stalactite formations, and a breathtaking underground river that has carved its way through the heart of the earth. For the adventure seekers, the Triglav National Park offers exhilarating hiking trails that lead to panoramic views of the Julian Alps. Feel the rush as you stand atop mountain peaks, taking in the raw beauty of unspoiled nature. Discover the fairy tale town of Piran, nestled on the Adriatic coastline. Lose yourself in its narrow streets, relishing the Mediterranean charm and savoring freshly caught seafood while watching the sun dip into the horizon. Immerse yourself in the melodic tunes of traditional Slovenian folk music. Experience the warmth of local hospitality as you join in traditional dances and celebrations that have been passed down through generations. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, a foodie, or simply seeking an unforgettable adventure, Slovenia has something for everyone. Join us on this virtual journey as we unravel the hidden treasures of this enchanting country. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and get ready to be inspired to add Slovenia to your travel bucket list. Don't miss out on this captivating visual extravaganza that captures the essence of Slovenia like never before.